Hey Paperlovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox, and in this YouTube video I made a 12 by 12 mixed media layout using my distress oxides, and the colors that I use are Spice Marmalade and Kitsch Flamingo. Kitsch Flamingo is the new color from the distress oxide, but soon there is another color coming out, so I'm very excited what for color it will be. But first we start with my background, and here I put a little bit distress oxide on a clear stamp, and my clear stamp looks already like a stain, so I put some distress oxide on my clear stamp, and with my brush I make it a little bit wet, and I stamp several times on my white cardstock background, so it looks like a watercolor stain, and I like that effect on my scrapbook page as a mixed media background. So here I'm using the color Kitsch Flamingo, and I do it in the same way as I did it with the orange one. And I also make some splatters with my distress oxides for a more mixed media look. So I'm ready with my distress oxide colors, and I'm using here some gesso and mix it with a little bit of water, and using my brush, and make splashes, white gesso splashes on my background. It's time to choose some design papers. I use the design paper pads, the mini pads from the 6x8 mini pads from the newest collection from Paige Evans, the Wonder collection. I like this collection very much. A gorgeous color, so it's hard to choose which one I wanted to use for this scrapbook page, but I think these are the colors that I want to use from the design papers for this page, and I cut them to size and put them behind my photo for making layers behind my photo. And when I cut all the design papers to size, I'm using my distress tool to distress the edges, to ruffle the edges from the design papers for more rough look. I think, I don't know exactly how you call it in English, but I love the ruffle, the distress look, ruffle edges from the design paper. So here I'm using my tool and I ruffle the edges, and I use my edge shave tape and put them behind my photo. So here I'm using a cut file that I already cut out with my Cricut Maker and backed up with some Valium, and here I'm turning the page because I don't know exactly how I wanted to turn my mixed media background, but yes, sometimes it will help a little bit when you turn the page and think, yes, it is better than I thought. So I think this side of the page will fit better with this design that I want to make on my layout. And here I'm already got some, I think, mandalas out from the design papers from the Wonder collection and put it behind the photo. And I'm using my glued in my edge shape tape to stick all the embellishments, all the mandalas on my layout, and put my photo on top. I'm using a golden frame under my photo and under my layers, and I'm using again my edge shape tape to stick the golden frame on my layout, and I put my photo with all my paper layers on top of it. Yes, and I really like that look. I love the golden accents from this collection on my page, and I'm using 3D foam to put my photo on the frame. And here I'm using the beautiful perspectives on my scrapbook page. I love the title Brighter Days, and the black camera fits perfect with the black and white photo on this page. So I'm very happy to use these perspectives on my scrapbook page. I think perspectives are really an eye-catcher on your scrapbook pages, so I love to use them. And the colors, the light blue color fits perfect with this, with all the colors. So yes, I'm very happy to using the perspectives on this layout. I glue my perspectives with some glossy accent because it's a very great medium to glue the perspectives on your scrapbook pages, and they are perfect holding them in place. So here I'm glue my Brighter Days title to my scrapbook page. And the title of this scrapbook page will be Dreams for Brighter Days, and this photo from my daughter, it's perfect with this title. She dreams about better days and for brighter days. So yes, and brighter days, all those bright and vibrant colors. Yes, I think it's a perfect title for this scrapbook page. So also I'm using a sun, a yellow colored sun on my scrapbook page, and I added some butterflies that I fussy cut from the design papers and put them on my scrapbook page. And here again I made some white gesso splatters on my scrapbook page. I can get enough making splitters on my scrapbook page, so I decided to use again my Distress Oxides colors. Here I'm using the Spice Marmalade and make some splitters. now I'm using the Kitsch Flamingo. I mix it with a little bit of water and make a little bit splatters on my page. But also I'm using the blue color Distress Oxide, and this color is Broken China. And yes, I love the splatter look on my scrapbook pages. I cut my design white cardstock to size on all the sides because I want to put some design paper behind my white cardstock. For that I'm using the Works all-in-one tool from We Are Keeping Memories. And when I'm done, I'm using some edge shave tape and glue my white cardstock on top of the design paper. Here I'm using some yarn, the color pink yarn, and I put it on top of this page behind my card file. And I'm also using orange color yarn and put it under my photo. So yes, I like that effect of yarn on your pages. So it's a little extra dimension. Here I'm using again what I earlier said, some edge shave tape, and using some tacky glue and glue my white cardstock on top of the design paper. So my layout is ready. At the end I using my stitching machine to sew the edges from this scrapbook page. So I had a lot of fun making this process video for you. Check Bramble Facebook group for more inspiration with all those beautiful perspectives. And I hope to see you next time on YouTube. For now, bye bye. Wish you a lovely day. Bye.